Tlfi, my favorite. Another dress, a little heavier than a Zuria, usually hand woven with a special cotton and a very exquisite technique that is called futal, which is also another name of the Tlfi. Since this dress is heavier, so more material is used and a more elaborate technique is used to make it, is also more expensive. So it's used in special occasions and celebrations. What is considered the best Tlfi is from either Asmara or Aksum, in which apparently there are the best weavers. And fun fact, 90% of them are men. Today people just call this dress Tlfi or Futal, but the original name is Afausho. The word Tlfi, in fact, is meant to only describe the decoration in the middle of the dress with a cross. Chiffon, this very popular dress that takes the name from the fabric chiffon, that is very lightweight, delicate, and sheer. It's becoming more and more popular and is used both by younger and elder women. These bright and colorful dresses are used by women in more common occasions, unlike the other two, Zuria and Tlfi, that are used for more special occasions like me making this video for you. You know our clothes are beautiful, but you already know there's much more behind it. So stay tuned for part 3.
Learn Tigrinya in a way that just makes sense on semikids.com.
Culture is cool.